Hey guys, I'm at my new house in Montague, and here we are. It's an 1850s Greek revival, a little bit overgrown, and here's the front porch. All of this is going to be restored, so we're keeping all of the original columns, the capitals, the doors, taking off anything that wasn't original. Well, we're going to get rid of the windows. But the exterior is all asbestos, so that's all coming down. And underneath there are the original clapboards. Here we go. Here's the back of the house, keeping these charming little side doors. Here's an attached two-car garage. If you look, there's actually a slate roof. There's my car. I just emptied it, and that's my dumpster. So I'm going to give you a little quick tour. Let's head back in. This is my street, and look at how cute my neighbors' houses are. All these houses are Greek revivals, and a beautiful meadow across the street. There's actually some really gorgeous houses on this road, so you can kind of tell why. Hard to see, but across the road, that house has big pillars, also Greek revival, and they have like 13 acres. So pretty. Okay, let's go in. So we're going in. Steps will stay. This will get rebuilt. No solicitors. Oh, look at all that lead paint. Keeping the front door. And here we are. So I'm here to demo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up all the carpet. The asbestos is going to be removed. But look at my cool tin ceilings. And then I'm going to set this up as my bedroom for the next few nights. I'm going to put a blow-up bed in here. Here's the fireplace. Sunroom over here. It's actually really big. Not too bad for $165,000, huh? This is all my stuff I just moved in from my car. Here's the dining room, the ceiling. This is all going to get painted white. No more asbestos tile. Okay, this was their laundry room. I'm going to make this a den. And then this is going to open back up into the living room. So where you see that door, that's going to come out and be a doorway. And then the kitchen, we're going to get rid of the 70s paneling. Here's actually some groovy old cabinets. So I'm going to keep these, get rid of the absolutely hideous countertops. This bathroom gets removed. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this whole space up. So this entire room will be like one big kitchen. So once this wall goes down here, it'll square off the space, and then we'll have a big space for an island, and then we'll make these wide pine floors. This will be my mudroom. So this is all pretty cool. This is like ancient. So there's no real ceiling. It's actually made out of cardboard. The floors are all kind of a hodgepodge of plywood, and then the original barn board. Again, here's just some more cardboard. So it's really rustic back in here. So this whole section is going to be redone. And then here's the garage. It goes into the garage. This house is really old. It's like almost 200 years old. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh, the bathroom's hideous. We're not even going to go look at that because it's all getting ripped out. Again, the same tin ceilings, which is pretty cool. And again, it's a Greek revival. So there's a lot of these nods to that style. And here we have the little triangular pediments on top. Kind of looks like the Parthenon. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's my pretty door. Stairs. Oh my, indoor-outdoor carpeting. Bye-bye. So today, I just moved in. Today's 4 o'clock, so I'm getting a late start. But today my goal is to, where am I? Oh, this is what is the master bedroom. My goal today is to rip up this carpet and start on taking the wallpaper down. So we'll have all new windows. The windows will look like they do now, but they'll be white on the inside and black on the outside. So they'll be the historic 2/2. And then all the doors stay because they're kind of cool and original. And then this will all be white pine. This is what was the daughter's room. She's got linoleum. So that's going to come up. And this is going to become the master. It's kind of dark. I'm sorry here. I don't even know if the lights work. So we're going to make this like an entryway in this deep, dark cavern. Let me get a light on. This is going to become my master suite. So what we'll do is, oh God, it's like an attic. So the ceiling is just basically the boards that hold up the ceiling, and then some more, I don't know, it's like particle board. It's probably 50 years old. So this will actually become dormered. So you'll step down into the master. My bed will be right here. So this will be vaulted. And this faces the road. That will be vaulted as well. And then this will open up to a doorway that will go into the bathroom. So now, again, it's just an attic. And then now we're going back over the mudroom. Oh, God. Okay, so there's that staircase. So that's going to come out because this is where my master bath is going to go. And there's only one other space to show you is this little teeny tiny bathroom. So there's the ugly bathroom that's getting gutted. And then the teeny tiny bathroom that's going to get restored. See, look at the old registers. They're kind of pretty. So those will stay. These pine floors will be sanded. And then, I don't know if you know, but they used to make the plaster out of horsehair. So what they did was they would mix horsehair with the plaster, and that would make it more sturdy. And then they would stick it on lath, and that would hold the plaster on. So, you know, the plaster's not perfect, but I kind of like that. I'm not too perfect either, am I? So this floor will hopefully have white pine underneath the linoleum and the indoor-outdoor carpet. Oh, the last thing I wanted to show you was there's a bathroom up here. Teeny tiny bathroom. So this little bathroom is going to stay as is. There's a sweet little sink, which is super old. Definitely getting rid of the toilet. And this little original clawfoot tub is going to go into the master bath. So this will become a shower, just like a glassed-in shower. So that's the story, guys. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go clean the floors in the living room, and I'm going to blow up my blow-up bed, and then I'm going to start ripping up carpet and wallpaper. So what I'll do later tonight is check in with you, but I have decided that this is the nicest room to sleep in. Definitely the cleanest. There's no demoing to be done in here, so it won't be dusty. It's got a fan. There's no AC here, but it's actually relatively cool in here. So once I get this clean, I'm going to mop the floor. I'm going to set up my bed. Then I'm going to go up and I think what I'll probably do is rip the wallpaper off first, and then I'll rip up the carpet because the wallpaper bits will fall into the carpet. And then I'll probably just throw that out the window and then just put it in the dumpster. And then I'll take a shower, and then I'm going to walk down to the Olive Stone, which is this little neighborhood restaurant. It's like a half-mile away. So I'm here for 3 nights all by myself, no dog, no kids, no husband. It's kind of peaceful here. So I'm really kind of happy. So welcome to Montague, and thanks for watching, guys.